Hello students, today we will discuss the topic time. The clock is used to measure the time. The shorthand in the clock is called hour hand and the long hand is called minute hand. So, first of all we will see how to read the time in the clock. The hour hand shows the hour and the minute hand shows the minutes before or after the hour. When our minute hand is in 1, it means 5 minutes are there. So we can write it like this, or 5 minutes past. Like this, when our minute hand is in 2, so 10 minutes past. Now our minute hand is in 3, so 15 minutes past. It is also called quarter past. Now the minute hand is in 4, so 20 minutes past. Like this, the minute hand is in 5, so 25 minutes past, or 25 minutes are there. Now our minute hand is in 6, so 30 minutes past, or we can say half past. Now our minute hand is in 7, it means 35 minutes. Now our minute hand is in 8, it means 40 minutes. Our minute hand is in 9, it means 45 minutes, or we can say quarter to next. Like this. Now our minute hand is in 10, it means 50 minutes or 10 minutes to next hour. Now our minute hand is in 11, it means 55 minutes past or 5 minutes to next hour. When our minute hand is in 12, we can write it as 00, or we are saying o'clock, like this. Right now our hour hand is in 8 and the minute hand is in 12, so it is called 8 o'clock. Now let us see how to write the time. This is hour hand and this is minute hand. So this sign is called colon. Before this sign we are writing hour. Because our hour hand is in 3, so we'll write 3 here, and the minute hand is in 12. As I told you, when our minute hand is in 12, we are writing 00. So we'll read it as 3 o'clock. Now in this situation, our hour hand is in 3, but the minute hand is in 1, so we will write 05, 3 colon 05, 3 hours 5 minutes. It means 5 minutes past 3. Five minutes past 3. Now our minute hand is in 2 and the hour hand is in 3. So how will we write it? We will write it as 3:10, or 10 minutes past 3. Now our hour and minutes, both the hands are in 3. So how will we write it? 3 hours 15 minutes, or we can say quarter past 3. 15 minutes means quarter past. Now our hour hand is in 2 and minute hand is in 3. So hour hand 2, then the minute hand is in 3. It means 15 minutes, 2:15 or quarter past 2. Now our hour hand is in 2 and the minute hand is in 4. So 2 hour 20 minutes or 2:20, or we can write 20 minutes past 2. Next situation, hour hand and the minute hand. So 2 hours 25 minutes or 25 minutes past 2. Next situation, our hand is in 4 and the minute hand is in 6. So we will write 4:30 or half past 4. Now the minute hand is in 6 and hour hand is in 9. So we'll write it as 9:30. Again we'll write it half past 9. So when 30 minutes are there, so we'll write half past. If 30 minutes are there or our minute hand is in 6, so we'll write 30 minutes or half past the hour. Now the next situation, we'll write it as 9:35, or in the words we'll write, now here we have to keep 2 points in the mind. When the minute hand is before 6, we read it as past. When the minute hand is after 6, we read it as to next. Now see, our minute hand is in 7. So 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25 minutes are left to 10. So we will write 25 minutes to next. Next means next to 9, 10. 25 minutes to 10. Now in this situation, we'll write it 4:40. In the figure we are writing as it is, because our hand is in 4, so we'll write 4 before the colon, and our minute hand is in 8, so we will write 40 after the colon. But in the words we will write as to next, 5, 10, 15 and 20. So we will write 20 minutes to 5. Next to 4 is 5. 20 minutes to 5. Now we'll write it as 4 hours 45 minutes, 4:45. Now how many minutes left to 5? 5, 10, 15. So we'll write here quarter to 5. Next to 4 is 5, so quarter to 5, because just 15 minutes are left. So when 45 minutes are there, so we'll read it as quarter to next. In this situation, our hour hand is in 6 and the minute hand is in 9. So we'll write it 6:45. And in the words we will write it quarter past, next to 6, 7. Next situation, our hour hand is on 6 and the minute hand is on 10. So 6:50. How many minutes are left to 7? 5 and 10. So 10 minutes to 7. In this situation, 6 and 55. How many minutes left to 7? 5 minutes. 5 minutes to 7. So this is the way to read the time in the clock. Now coming to the next topic, using AM or PM. So first of all, we'll see what is AM. AM is the short form for the Latin word ante meridian, that means before noon or before midday. AM stands for the time 12 midnight to 12 noon. For example, 2 o'clock in the night will be 2 AM. Now let us see what is PM. PM is a short form for the Latin word post meridian, that means afternoon or after midday. PM stands for the time from 12 noon to 12 midnight. For example, 3 o'clock at afternoon, it will be PM. 3 PM. Here I want to tell you a most important thing, that we do not write AM or PM for 12 o'clock. Instead we write 12 noon or 12 midnight. So here we'll do one exercise. Read the time and write in figure using AM or PM. So first question, quarter to 3 in the evening. So quarter to 3 means 2:45. I told you 2 means next. So 3 is next to 2. So 2:45. In the evening it means afternoon. It is PM. Okay. Now the next question, quarter past 11 in the morning. Quarter past 15 minutes. 11:15. In the morning means AM, before noon. 20 minutes past noon. Noon is 12 o'clock and 20 minutes past means 12:20. So afternoon it is PM. 12:20 PM. Now the last question. Half past 1 at the daytime. Half past means 30 minutes. 1 at the daytime means afternoon. So it is also PM. I hope the video will be helpful for you all. Thank you so much.